So guys, here is a simple code using tkinter package. So what we are basically intending to do here is we just wanted to blink an LED on off on an embedded board. So we have considered MSP432. So for that we wanted to send serial port data over serial port with a specific baud rate. So and then the intention is to create a small button. So when you click, the LED should be off, and when you click again, the LED should be on. So that's how the functionality is intended to be. So here if you see this is a simple program. So import serial tkinter, so importing parameters from tkinter is all importing all the required packages, and then we are creating a root window as we explained in the previous tutorial on tkinter. So the first thing that starts with is the root window, and then we have just given a title MSP432 LED blink. So if you just you can see here, this is the title MSP432 LED blink, and then the geometry is set to 500 cross 500. So here we are just using the serial class and then defining the parameters. So we are using the COM4 which is required for communicating with the MSP432P401R. We have just used a serial port to connect to it, and then the baud rate is set to 9600, and timeout for this is set to 1 second. So this is how the serial port is set, and then we have just defined a small method here. So that is named LED control, and then once the method is called over serial port, we are just writing a small O. So here B indicates that we are writing a byte of data. So that's how we are just trying to push out the data here. So once the method is created, it need to be called, right? So when we call this method is when there is a click on this button. So when this button is clicked, so basically the what action need to be considered is it is from the root window, and then the text is this. These are the button parameters, and what we are saying is once the button is clicked, the command is like LED control function method need to be called. So that's what the command says, and then the text over this is LED on off, and basically this is on the root window, and the placement of this button. And then root.main loop is required to display this window. So this is how the simple program is. So all these parameters are similar to the one which we have introduced tkinter. Here the important thing is selecting the appropriate serial port, the baud rate, and then of course what data need to be sent. So this is a simple one, and then if we take the MSP432 code, here what we are doing is we are just trying to read the data over a serial port, and then if we receive this O, we are saying toggle the GPIO. A very simple code, and we are using the USB port which is there on the MSP432. So this is how the simple code is, and then the pin definition is definitely done here. So 1.2 and 1.3 pins are defined in UART mode, and the GPIO pin is set to output, and then of course the parameters, the UART parameters are set such that we have the baud rate as 9600. So this is how the simple code is, and based on this code, let us see how the functionality is. So here I am clicking on LED on off. So when I click, you can see the LED glows, and when we click again, it goes off. So basically we are just toggling the LED using a button. So this is how it is functioning.